Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Charlotte County in south central Virginia until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Red House to Darlington Heights, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charlotte Courthouse, Phoenix, Red House, Drake's Branch, Madisonville, Abilene, and Cullen. Prepare immediately for damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service.